Hi everyone, we're at Kintimani Volcano in Bali. In front of us is the volcano, right there. We just had lunch at the restaurant over there that was looking over the volcano. It was a nice view. Down there are some homes. It must be a little bit scary to live at the base of the volcano. According to our tour guide, it last erupted in 1995 and is still active. Look, my handsome husband. Oh, look at that.
Look at the flies on this car.
That's disgusting. If you look below there, there's some rice paddies. The main crop here is rice, and apparently 70% of the locals here are farmers.